Hello, this is Charlene Riley. It is Thursday, September 7th, 2017 at 10:06 p.m. and I am going to hopefully record a trade this evening. Right now, the Sydney and Tokyo markets are open, and so right now I am on the Australian New Zealand 15-minute chart. First thing I want to do is check the economic calendar, and I see that there are no major reports out that have impacted my charts in the last hour or so. And there is an Australian assistant governor's speech for a medium impact that's due in a little less than an hour. So my trading plan says no trades related to a report coming out in 30 minutes or less. So right now I'm okay there. Now when I go to the charts, on the Australian New Zealand, I see that my Fibonacci lines are still good. I'm going to take a look at the daily, and I see that overall for the daily, it's been in an uptrend. The support and resistance lines that I plotted a few days ago are still good. We're showing the high and the low, and we're also showing where the market has been for the last 2 weeks. So we're still good there. The orange lines are from the daily, the blue lines are from the 4-hour, and the magenta lines are from the 1-hour chart. So now I take a peek at my 4-hour chart, and I see that we had some consolidation here, then an uptrend, and then I'm going to call this choppy consolidation over the last couple of days. So now I look at my 1-hour chart, and again, pretty much choppy consolidation, although over the last couple of hours, we've been trending downward. So now I go to my 15-minute chart, and I see that overall, the major trend is consolidation, and then the current trend had been a downtrend, although the market looks to be trying to reverse into an uptrend. Looks like the bulls want to try and take over. Right now, my primary strategy is breakthroughs of support and resistance lines, either the lines that I've plotted during my multi-frame analysis, or the Fibonacci lines, which I use as a technical indicator. Then for confirmation, I used either the stochastic or candlesticks and candlestick patterns, or market volume to confirm whether or not to enter into a trade. So right now, I am looking for a breakthrough. If I want to enter into a buy, I'd be looking for a break above this 1.11036. And if I have the break above that line, I would enter into a buy. I already have the stochastic at 64 and rising. And so it looks like that we're going to have that breakthrough. So because of that, and with the stochastic at 65 and rising, that is the confirmation that I'd be looking for. So once we break through this line of resistance again at the 11036 line, I've entered into a buy, and I'm going to set my take profit at the next, just below the next line of resistance, and I'm going to set my stop loss at the just below a couple of lines down for the support, and that will give me 10, 11, 10, 92, a little over 10 pips for stop loss, and a little over 10 pips for take profit. So, and again, so now I'm going to document my chart that because we had the breakthrough, I entered into this trade because I had the breakthrough of resistance at the 1.11036, and then for my confirmation, I had the stochastic at 65 and rising. And that's indicating that the bulls are want to continue to move in the upward direction. So, and because of those things, I entered into a buy at 1.11064 with a take profit at 1.11186 and the stop loss at 1.10927. And that is, now let me also mark where I entered into the trade, just right here. And I always keep that highlighted so that you can see it, even with the pinks of the Fibonacci lines. So, and that is my trade, following my trading plan, and for entering into a trade using my Fibonacci lines and also the stochastic indicator. So at one point it seemed like the bears wanted to try to take over again, but now it seems that the bulls are trying to take back control. And when it approaches my take profit level, I plan to adjust my stop loss and take profits to protect pips that I've already gained, and then maximize my pip gain.